Hi everyone, in this video, we will talk about what is the best CRM for insurance agencies. Salesforce versus HubSpot versus Agency Block versus Zoho CRM. First, let's go with Salesforce CRM. It is best for large insurance agency handling complex operations. Now for its strengths, offers highly customizable workflows, AI-driven insight, and robust automation, ideal for agencies with complex needs. It supports extensive lead and policy management but requires significant setup and technical expertise. For its pricing, starts at $25 per month, with plans scaling beyond $300 per month for advanced features. Now let's go to the HubSpot CRM. It is best for agencies focusing on inbound marketing and smaller sales team. For its trends, user-friendly with strong marketing automation and seamless integration with HubSpot's marketing tools. For its pricing, offers a free tier with limited features. Advanced plans require a subscription. Third is the Agency Block CRM. It is best for small to medium-sized insurance agencies. Focus on life and health policies. For its strengths, purpose-built for life and health insurance agencies, offering specialized features like policy tracking, commission management, and automated renewals. For the pricing, starts at $65 per month. Lastly is the Zoho CRM. Best for small to mid-sized agencies looking for a budget-friendly solution with essential CRM features. Its strengths are affordable and user-friendly, with solid automation and multi-channel communication tools. Zoho integrates well with social media platforms and offers customizable reports. For its pricing, starts at $14 per month, making it one of the most affordable options. Now, which one should you choose? For large agencies with complex needs, Salesforce is the best option due to its scalability and customization. For smaller agencies focusing on ease of use and insurance-specific tools, Agency Block and Zoho CRM are better choices. Lastly, for marketing-focused teams, HubSpot offers strong integration and marketing tools, and that's basically it.